Mr. Dog. Once upon a time there was a funny dog named Crispins Crispian. He was named Crispins Crispian because he belonged to himself. In the mornings he woke himself up and he went to the icebox and gave himself some bread and milk. He was a funny old dog. He liked strawberries. And he took himself for a walk and he went wherever he wanted to go. But one morning he didn't know where he wanted to go. Just walk and sooner or later you'll get somewhere, he said to himself. Soon he came to a country where there were lots of dogs. They barked at him and he barked back, and they all played together. But he still wanted to go somewhere. So he walked on until he came to a country where there were lots of cats and rabbits. The cats and rabbits jumped in the air and ran. So Crispian jumped in the air and ran after them. He didn't catch them because he ran bang into a little boy. Who are you, and who do you belong to? Asked the little boy. I'm Crispin's Crispin, and I belong to myself, said Crispian. Who and what are you? I am a boy, said the boy, and I belong to myself. I am so glad, said Crispin's Crispian. Come and live with me. And they went to a butcher's shop to get his poor dog a bone, Crispian said. Now, since Crispin's Crispian belonged to himself, he gave himself the bone and trotted home with it. And the little boy bought a big lamb chop and a bright green vegetable and trotted home with Crispin's Crispian.